Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about tips and tricks for using Google Analytics GA4. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that can help you track your website's traffic and understand how users interact with your site. But it can also be a bit overwhelming, so we're here to help make it a little easier for you. 1. Setting up Google Analytics. Let's talk about setting up Google Analytics in a GA4 property. Before you can start tracking your website's traffic, you'll need to create a Google Analytics account. Once you have an account, you'll need to add the Google Analytics tracking code to your website. This code is unique to your website and can be found in your Google Analytics account under the admin section. Make sure to add the tracking code to the header script of your website so that you can get accurate data. Now, to add a GA4 property, go to the Property column, and click on the Create Property button. Fill in the required information, such as the name of your property, website URL, and industry category. Accept the terms of service and click on the Create button. Once your property is created, you'll be presented with your GA4 tracking code. Add this code to your website using an insert header and footer plugin and start tracking your website's traffic. To start tracking events, you will have to create events in your GA4 account. Go to the Admin section, under the Property column, select Events, then click on the New Event button, then fill in the required information such as the name, event type, and parameters. Finally, you can start analyzing your data by going to the Reporting tab and selecting the metrics you want to view. 2. Understanding your dashboard. Now that your website is set up with Google Analytics, let's take a look at the dashboard. The dashboard is the first page you'll see when you log into your account. It gives you a quick overview of your website's traffic, including the number of users, sessions, and page views. You can also see how your website is performing in terms of bounce rate and average session duration. These metrics can help you understand how well your website is engaging your audience. 3. Using segments. One of the most powerful features of Google Analytics is the ability to segment your data. This means you can look at specific groups of users based on certain criteria. For example, you can segment your data by geographic location, device, or even the source of the traffic. This can help you understand which areas of your website are performing well, and which areas may need some improvement. 4. Analyzing your traffic sources. Another important aspect of Google Analytics is tracking your traffic sources. This will tell you where your website's visitors are coming from, whether it's from search engines, social media, or referral traffic. By analyzing your traffic sources, you can identify which channels are driving the most traffic to your site and optimize your marketing efforts accordingly. 5. Setting up goals. Finally, let's talk about setting up goals in Google Analytics. Goals are specific actions that you want your website's visitors to take, such as signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. By setting up goals, you can track the conversion rate of your website, which can give you a better idea of how well your website is performing. You can set up goals by going to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and selecting goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks.